Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to buy calls on Charles Schwab. A call option gives you the right, but not the obligation, to buy a stock at a specific price, called the strike price, before a certain date. This strategy allows you to potentially profit from an upward movement in a stock's price with less capital than buying shares outright. We'll walk through the process step by step. First, log into your Charles Schwab account. Once logged in, locate the Trade tab at the top of the page and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Options. This will take you to the Options Trading interface where you can search for the specific stock you wish to trade options on. Enter the ticker symbol to proceed.
If you're finding this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, I highly recommend the book The Simple Path to Wealth. It offers fantastic, straightforward advice. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the video description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now you'll see the options chain. Pick an expiration date that fits your investment horizon. Next, choose a strike price. This is the price at which you can buy the underlying stock. Consider if you want an in-the-money, at-the-money, or out-of-the-money option based on your strategy and risk tolerance. With your call option selected, it's time to place the order. Enter the number of contracts you want to purchase. Remember, one contract typically represents 100 shares. Select your order type. A limit order is often preferred for better price control. Carefully review all the order details, including the premium, before confirming your trade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.